Hello everyone, this is Melanie from Melanie B's Creative Studio, and I have a couple of new paintings for us to go over. You can't tell I get excited when these come in, can you? I love what I do. All right, so this is the way this package came. It looks like it's in excellent shape. This is the order that I placed from AanaBanana. Now these took a little longer than the first one, but even still, it was about 3.5 weeks to receive it, which, you know, right now in the middle of the pandemic, I'm okay with that. Like, that is fine. I did see it actually kind of sitting in limbo in transit on the tracking. I do not blame AanaBanana for that at all. They have fabulous customer service. They have great quality paintings. They have a large selection. I've been super happy with the superhero one that I've shown you before by Dan Avenell, and so these are different. So let's go ahead and open these and look at these. But I wanted to show you how they package and how they ship so that you can see it's very secure. I did notice they also wrap this up a little differently, which I like because I want to know that my stuff is protected. You know, my order is protected. They care enough to do quality control, which is very important to me. So I've noticed that they have started wrapping their canvases with cellophane just to protect it in shipping. They've got a picture wrapped around it here. And then of course, we've got our fabulous foam trays that we all love. And I'm going to probably be working out something to start distributing these. And we're just trying to work out the price for them right now. So I'm excited about having this foam tray. You know, these are wonderful little things, little extras. Now the one I'm going to start with, I'm going to insert the actual picture from the website right here. And you'll notice the picture, the reference guide, you know, when they print these, and I'm not just talking about AanaBanana, I'm talking about companies in general, they're just doing it to give you a visual reference for what this is going to be. This is not necessarily a guide for you to use, to paint with. So moving on, I'm like, I just love, love, love this palette. Okay, so I have eyed this little whimsical painting for so long, and I finally found it at a place that is reputable, that I trust. And you know, I have as far as legit or scam, we know that I believe AanaBanana is legit. And I'm even working with them right now, and they have provided me with a 5% off coupon code for you guys. And all you have to do is, when you're checking out, in the promo code section, put the word Melanie, M-E-L-A-N-I-E, and I'm going to put it down in the description box below. So make sure you look for that. Don't forget to use it. And you will be happy that you did, because they have a fantastic quality, and even saving 5% is worth it. So this picture is going to be, it looks like it's going to be pretty easy considering the fact that it's got some nice openings. All right. Now the canvas is a plasticky canvas with a fabric material on the back. It doesn't have the linen on the back, but I don't mind that. I don't care about that whatsoever. It's a different type of fabric. It is just not that cotton thick linen stuff, but it's got a little more play to it. I think that's fine. That's actually fine with me. So I've got my reference guide, which you guys know, all these little extras make the difference in whether I like a company or will shop there again. And I've already been shopping here again, so y'all know how I do. All right, so let's test a couple colors. Now, remember in the last video, if you've seen it, I explained how the numbers are. Let me show you. So when you get your paint palette, you're gonna notice they're not in order, but it's because the color number is 0063 for this color, right? And then it goes in color number this way. Then they go back and they label it with, this is number 14, number 12, number 13, 11. So they're out of order based on this strip, but the color numbers are in order. So I know that makes like crazy, what am I talking about kind of sense, but let me show you. I don't like to remove the sticker until after I have labeled my paint pots. And then I will take the sticker and I will pull it off gently and put it on the back of my reference guide so that I have it in case I need it for the future and I need to know what color number a certain color was. So I hope that makes sense. So right now, all I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna number all of these necessarily. I'm gonna pick a few and we're gonna swatch them. They do have colored canvases, as you can see. Some companies do that, some don't. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't make or break the quality. It just is kind of a reference, which is nice. So let me just go ahead and pick a few of these, and I'm gonna number them before I take them out. And we're gonna pull them out and we're gonna test them. Reds can be tricky, so I'll try a red. Oranges too. Now that's a 12 and that's a 21 and they look very similar, but I definitely need to make sure I'm paying attention on those. I'm gonna go ahead and mark those before I forget, just in case they fell out of here. Okay, so let's just go ahead and try these 3 numbers. Now, I can use this picture as a guide to say, okay, this is green. There's some greens over here. There's some greens down in here. And it kind of narrows down where I might find a 1. So here's a 1 right here. There's some little ones. Let's try a little one so you don't have to watch me painting for 10 minutes. Now, I have to keep in mind when I open these pots, they're very creamy paints usually. So I don't want to spill it. You got to be kind of careful with these nice creamy ones. Oh, it's like butter, you guys. Lately, I've ordered from a few companies and I've been so impressed with their paint quality and everything. Everybody that's been trying AanaBanana on the group has been talking about how their order has been fantastic. I know there's always a one-off, you know, but it's like I don't want to jinx them. But I've had a really wonderful experience with this company. Now that green, y'all, beautiful, perfect coverage. Let's try this blue. Also, this hasn't been gessoed, so I'm seeing a lot of canvas texture. As you guys know, I love the look of canvas. I just feel like I don't have to put so much paint down because my paint doesn't go down in the cracks. So I will put, you know, clear gesso on this, at least 1, if not 2, because it does have real nice canvas texture. All right, so down here, I'm not gonna do this entire 22. It is a large opening. I'm going to do a portion of it to see how it covers the lines, if it covers. Now this one doesn't look as creamy. It is creamy, but it's gonna definitely need a little something to get it just a different consistency. You don't need a lot of flow aid or extender or anything. Usually 1 or 2 drops is enough to kind of get it going. Okay, the only reason it took me so long and so many dips back into my paint is because I need to add extender or some flow aid to it. But mostly because the canvas texture is so deeply grooved that I'm having to put a little more to fill down in the white spaces, but that will be fixed once I put on clear gesso. But right out of the paint pot and right out of the canvas, out of the package, it is just amazing. I'm super excited. Okay, let's move to our next painting. I'm gonna show you what it is when I get to it. Okay, now this is painting number 2. Oh my gosh. This palette right here is so beautiful. All right, it is absolutely gorgeous, yummy, delicious. I don't even know what else to say. I guess I'm obsessed with all these colors. This is why I buy these bright colored, rainbowy colored pictures. Okay, so let's look at what the image is. I'm gonna insert the actual picture from the website in here. And you can see that it's a very vibrant, bright colored door with some flowers. Again, the photo is not gonna do it justice that they sent, but it is great for a reference. And also, this is on a sticky back page so that when you have a book or a, let's say you have a container that you keep all your stuff in or whatever, you can pull this off. Whatever is your storage method, this would work to show. You can just peel it off and stick it on there. We have our reference guide. We're gonna go with number 23. And I wanna try one of these like coral colors because I'm a little nervous about them. This one is 12, this one is 2. I'll pick one of those 2. And I'm not gonna even try yellow because sometimes I feel like I just burst my own bubble when I do yellow. I'm gonna try this number 24, if I can find it. So we're gonna try 3 of those. We'll start with 23 because I see a lot of 23s in here. Okay, so I got a little carried away and it took a little longer, but because of the depth of the canvas, that is why. So I'm gonna go up here and do this beautiful coral color. I'm doing it upside down. Oh, great. I put my number upside down. And we're just gonna do this little opening I just saw. Where is it? Where'd it go? So this orange is gonna kind of be hard to tell where it is in this photo. Oh wait, here it is right here. Now this one may end up being semi-opaque, but it is a really pretty orange. Like it is covering nicely considering it is an orange. I will be touching that up. I definitely have to go back over the number, but not the lines. The lines look fine. Now this one's got black lines and black numbers. The other one had red lines and black numbers. So it just depends on who they get to produce their paintings usually, I think is why those will be different. So I've done 3 of the colors. The colors are great. They're not as creamy as last time the paint was, but like I said, this was in transit a little longer, and I feel like that has a lot to do with it. They're still fantastic, and they still cover beautifully. So let's go gesso some new paintings, you guys. Of course, this company is legit, like I've told you before. It's one of my new favorites. And you guys, I have a coupon code. Don't forget, if you're gonna go shopping, go down and click the link in the description box below. Make sure you use the coupon Melanie promo code at the end of your checkout and save a little money. And I appreciate it. Tell them Melanie sent you by typing in that promo code. All right, you guys, make sure you subscribe so you'll know when I have new videos. And I will see you back soon. Thank you as always for watching.